Hi everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. Today I've got an exciting reveal for you. It's my first ever Coach bag, so if you're interested, keep on watching. So just a little bit of a backstory about this bag. I didn't know about this bag, I didn't know it existed. I knew about the Coach Tabby bag, but this is the Coach Tabby Western, which I'd never seen or heard of before until I saw a YouTuber called LB. She's American and she had the brown tan colour version of this bag. And I saw it and I absolutely loved it. And I thought, if that's available in black, I need it now. So I went on a bit of a hunt for it, checked the Coach UK website, out of stock. I did see that before it went out of stock, it had been put on sale as well. So I was a bit gutted that I missed out on the sale purchase. But yeah, so I just looked everywhere, couldn't see it anywhere in any stores online. I also put a message on one of the Facebook bag groups that I'm on and just asked if anybody had this bag or if they'd seen it anywhere for sale. A few people replied saying they haven't seen it, but they love the style of it and they've never heard of it before either. So I just kept on researching. I watched lots of YouTube videos, but all of the videos of this bag were from Americans. So it did make me think, was it not available over here in the UK? But it was on the Coach UK website, just sold out. So I don't know where the people are with these bags, but I couldn't find anyone from the UK with this bag. Eventually, on one of my Facebook groups, someone commented saying, I've just seen this bag on Vinted. So I went so fast over to Vinted to check it out. It all looked good, apart from inside did have a bit of a stain on the lining, which meant that I did end up getting it for a really good price than what she had it up for. I offered a bit lower and she went for it. And because I bought it on Vinted, I paid for the additional authentication. It was an extra £10 just to get it sent off to Vinted for them to check it over, make sure it's all good, all legit, and it was. So I'm glad I did that, just because you never know with Vinted, and it just gives you that little bit of extra peace of mind. It was all good, and then the bag came to me and I have it here, so I'll show you that now. So here is the bag. It came with the Coach dust bag, and then inside we have the Coach Western Tabby in the black. And I'll just give you a little close up. So it's got the little pockets there on the side with the little turn lock. It's got the buckles on the front, another little pocket there, and then it's also got this pocket on the back. It's got this shoulder strap, but it also comes with a crossbody strap, which I'll show you as well. And then the front is just got this magnetic closure, and inside is that really amazing mustard suede colour, which I just love. It adds just a little more of an interesting element to the bag. And then inside we've just got a zip pocket on the back there. We've got this additional pocket on the front of the bag there as well. And then inside is just all of that yellow suede. You might be able to see a little bit of stain in there. Just a little bit. It's not too bad. I did try and clean it up with some of my suede cleaner that I have, which has done a good job. And yeah, I think I will end up getting a liner for this just to protect it a bit more, because I don't want to make it any worse. And I just love the leather on this bag. It's so squishy, so soft, and I think over time it's just going to look even better once it starts to like get a bit more worn and used. It does have some feet on the bottom, just some little silver studs. And yeah, I just really love how it looks. Just worn over the shoulder like that, which I think is how I will wear it mostly. But it also comes with this long crossbody strap. Now, you can't really wear both straps together, so when you wear it, you do have to decide, am I going to wear it long or am I going to wear it short, because you sort of replace the strap by undoing the buckles on the side. So that's it with the shorter strap, and I'll just change it over to this one. So there's the long strap. I'll just stand back. So I'll just put this on crossbody, and that's how it looks on me, which I do really like as well. So I'll just decide based on what I'm doing that day if I'd rather have it crossbody so I'm hands free or on the short shoulder strap. So here it is again, just a bit more close up. I don't know what you would put in these pockets, but they are really cute. They've got the suede lining on there as well. Yeah, I just really, really love this style. And yeah, there's not much else to say about it really, other than I just love the style. I love the Western look of it with the buckles and everything. And I love the silver hardware as well. I think this will be a great daily bag just for grabbing and going. I think it's going to fit quite a lot in there. I think it's going to look better and better with age as well. So do let me know what you think. Have you seen this bag anywhere else in the UK? Is anybody else you know got it, or any other YouTubers or anything? Yeah, because there's not a lot online about this bag. I see it a lot in the sort of tan colourway as well, more than the black. But I just prefer the black because I know that will just go with everything. Yeah, I'm so happy with it. Oh, in the back pocket does fit a phone as well, which comes in really handy for easy grabbing from there. So let me know what you think about this bag. I'm so happy for the bargain price that I got it for, $150, and I think when it was for sale it was $550, and then it went on sale down to $450. But that is a mega saving that I got there, and yeah, I'm happy that I managed to score this. So thank you to the person who told me that this was on Vinted. I absolutely love it. So thanks for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe if you haven't already. So many of my watchers aren't subscribed, so I'd love to have you back, because if you like what I'm doing, it means I'll just be able to keep making more. So thanks very much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.